Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely carbonara. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and of course share it with your friends on social media. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge. And if you hit the notification bell, it will just give you a gentle reminder of when the videos are coming out. I hope you enjoy. And there you have your lovely carbonara. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, so we're going to start by cutting up some bacon. Now, I actually don't like bacon fat personally, so I make sure every bit of fat is taken off. But the proper way of doing this is to use a nice fatty bit of bacon, like streaky bacon. I actually cut all the fat off of mine and just cut it into squares. I mean, I know the fat actually gives it loads of flavour, but it's up to you if you want to use it or not. Okay, so first of all, you want to start with putting some olive oil in a deep pan. And you want to fry your bacon. You want to fry this nice and slowly. Don't rush it. And then while the bacon is cooking, I have a pot of hot water. I've got here a packet of dried tagliatelle. And they come in little bits like this. So for 2 people, I'm going to use 6 of these. You can use normal spaghetti, but I love the big thick one, so tagliatelle is perfect. Okay, so as you can see, we're cooking the bacon nicely, and we'll just add a little bit of garlic. That's optional. So as you can see, as this is cooking away, all the lovely juices from the bacon is coming out, and this is what gives it a lovely flavour. So as you can see, I've got some homegrown parsley. This is flathead parsley, just slightly different from this type of parsley, but either tastes lovely, or you can use dried parsley. So I'll just put a bit of both in. So we'll just cut this parsley up. Of course you can put dried parsley in if you want to, and of course when you're cutting anything, always bend your fingers like this so you won't actually cut your fingers if they're bent. So we'll just take a bit of the tagliatelle out and cut it open, and if you can see a bit of white inside, then that means it's not ready. And of course you can always just try biting a bit and you realise it's not quite ready, so give it a bit longer. Right, so I'm just going to drain the pasta into a colander. Right, so this bacon is nice and crispy, so we're just going to add our cooked tagliatelle, and then we'll just give this a bit of a stir around. And then what you're going to do with the gas off, then you want to add a bit of water, either from the pasta water or from the broccoli water that you're cooking. Is you're going to add 2 eggs that you've mixed and just give this a stir around. Right, and then you add a good bit of black pepper. Then you just want to add a smaller bit of cream. This is optional, you don't have to add it, but it does give it that lovely flavour. And then we'll add our parsley. Right, and then we're just going to add a few bits of broccoli into this. As I said, this is not a traditional way of doing it, this is just my way of doing it. But it's still a lovely carbonara pasta dish. So when you dish your pasta out, you just get your grater and on the small hole get a bit of parmesan cheese and just put that over the top of your pasta. And doesn't that look amazing? And it tastes so nice. Well, thank you very much for watching Lifestyle with Sharon's video on how to make carbonara pasta, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing more videos for you.